Hello, I am Dr. Mahashur, Senior Chest Consultant at the P.D.Hinduja National Hospital, Mumbai. Join me on 12th of October 2019 at 2 p.m. for the webinar on the seasonal flu. This would be a purely an academic activity organized by MacLeod's TB Care. Influenza, that's flu, which is commonly known, is increasing, and so also the fatalities due to the disease. It is therefore very important to understand about the management and the approach to flu. So I shall be discussing in detail on the treatment of influenza with special reference to oseltamivir. Please join me. We'll catch up on 12th of October. Thank you.